Hi everybody, this is Michael McDermott, and I want to invite you to visit my website, keepingitreal.michaelmcdermott.com, and order your copy of Success Isn't Accidental. Success Isn't Accidental is a book that I've co-written with Tom Stamen, and it's concerning entrepreneurs who are looking to do their best and succeed in all that they put their hand to. Success is not accidental. And remember that success comes by obedience to what you've been instructed by God to do. That's where true success lies. But success comes in day-to-day living through a deliberate effort and mindset. And Success Isn't Accidental Volume 1 is a 30-day devotional where each day you'll be fed a principle for success and a verse from the Word of God that will help ensure and solidify success in your life. Please order yours today. Success Isn't Accidental at KeepingItReal, MichaelMcDermott.com. I hope that you have a really successful day.